Namaste. In this lesson, we will learn parans and todas in Rupak, and you will also learn ladi, which is a footwork following a definite pattern. Now, from your experience in Trital, you know what a paran is, right? The sounds or the sound syllables in a paran are taken from
Mridanga.
right, from the mridang. And we know that they are different from the syllables used in Natwari or in Nach, Tokras and Todas. Today, we will first learn how to recite or how to do parant of parans and todas, and then you will learn the movements. So let's first recite the basic sound syllables of Rupak, and then I will recite the paran for you. Tin tin na di na di na ta na dekit kat krita tit dhagit tit dekit ta 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 tit ta tit ta dhum kit tak ta din ta kat dha da kat dha 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 kat dha kat dha dha kat dha 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 kat dha kat dha dha kat dha dha dha. Now here first is dhana dhekete kat. Okay, can you repeat with me? Dhana dhekete kat. Then kridha tete dhage tete. Dhekete dhane dha. Ta dha. Ta dha are slower. Then dha tete tak dhumakite tak. Dha dhin ta. Then comes the tehai. Kat dha dha kat dha 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 kat dha 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 kat dha 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 kat dha 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 dha. So try to recite with me, and then again you will recite on your own. Tin tin na di na di da ni de ke kat krita te ta ge te te ke ta ne ta ta da da te ta te ta mu te ke ta din ta kat dha kat dha dha kat dha 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 kat dha kat dha dha kat dha 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 kat dha kat dha dha kat dha dha dha. Once more. Tin tin na di na di da ni de ke kat krita te ta ge te ke ta ne ta 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 da te ta te ta mu te ke ta din ta kat dha kat dha dha kat dha 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 kat dha kat dha dha kat dha 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 kat dha kat dha dha kat dha dha dha. Next one is a laikari of a paran you have already learned. Remember, while doing Amad, we learned a paran jodi Amad, and the paran was dha ta ka thonga dha ge di ge ta. So laikari means that same bol but in differing tempos. So let's start by reciting Rupak, then I will recite the bol for you. Tin tin na di na di na da ta ta thonga da ge di ge ta da din ta de ta kira ta ta ka thonga ta ki te ta ka tere ka ta ga dikhne ta ek do tere ka ta ga dikhne ta ek do tere ka ta ga dikhne ta. Now remember, dha ta ka thonga is in one go. Dha ta ka thonga, then dha ge di ge ta with a pause. Di ge ta, then dha din ta de ta kida dha ta ka thonga ta ki ta ta ka tere ka ta ga dikhne ta ek do tere ka ta ga dikhne ta ek do tere ka ta ga dikhne ta. So dha ta ka thonga dha ge di ge ta tha din ta de ta ge ta ta ka thong ga ta ki ge ta ka de ga ta ga di ta ek do de ga ta ga di ta ek do de ga ta ga di ta. Once more. Na di na din din na di na da ta ka thong ga da ge di ge ta da din ta de ta ge ta ta ka thong ga ta ki ge ta ka de ga ta ga di ta ek do de ga ta ga di ta ek do de ga ta ga di ta. The next is a Chakradhar Paran, and this is also a special variety of Chakradhar Paran called Farmaishi. You have learnt Farmaishi Chakradhar Toda in your first year course. Today we have a Farmaishi Chakradhar Paran. Now you know what a Farmaishi is, right? A Chakradhar is a bowl which is repeated 3 times and then it comes to the sum, and each part has a tehai. Each tehai has 3 pallas. In a Farmaishi, in the first round, the first palla comes to the sum. In the second round, the second palla comes to the sum, and in the final round, the final palla will have to come to the sum, otherwise the bowl won't be correct, right? Okay. So this is also with Dhata Ke Thonga, and while reciting Dhata Ke Thonga up to Tete Kata Ga Dighine Dha, in this whole section, each palla is non-stop. But after you complete one palla, then there is a gap. So listen to it, and if you can, try to pick it up from the second palla because you know the bowls. Dhata ka thonga tha ge di ge ta tha din ta the ta kid tha ta ka thonga ta kid ta ka te ka ta ge ta ta kid ta ka te ka ta ge digin ta ta kid ta ka te ka ta ge digin ta. Dhata ka thonga tha ge di ge ta tha din ta the ta kid tha ta ka thonga ta kid ta ka te ka ta ge digin ta ta kid ta ka te ka ta ge digin ta ta kid ta ka te ka ta ge digin ta. Dhata ka thonga tha ge di ge ta tha din ta de ta ke tha ta ka thonga ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga digin ta ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga digin ta ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga digin ta. Would you like to recite it once? Din na di na di. Dhata ka thonga tha ge di ge ta tha din ta de ta ke tha ta ka thonga ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga digin ta ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga digin ta ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga digin ta. Good. Now, although this is also a toda, since, even though the rhythmic syllables are that of a paran, but the structure is that of a toda. But I had told you earlier in the first year course that some scholars strictly follow the principle that a tukra and a toda should consist of dance syllables. Now, in our second year course, in the syllabus for Rupak, it is stated a toda. So it is not clear whether it is a paran or a toda. So we will learn both varieties, right? And the second is also a toda, but it consists of the dance or the natwari variety of sound syllables. Once more. Te na na ta 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 ta. Te te ta te ta te ta te. Te 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 ta te. Te te ta 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 ta. Te te ta te ta te ta te. Te 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 ta te. Te ta 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 ta. Te ta te ta te ta te. Very good. And as you are getting better, you're learning everything faster. So now we will learn how to dance the parans and the todas, right? So come. Now the first paran you remember was dha na dhekite kat. Dha is like dha, as if you're asking someone to go. And it's just with the right foot, dha. Okay? And for the sound ne, you don't do anything, it's just dhan. Dhekite kat, from here, you turn your hand as well as your body. It's more like a urdhva hasta chakra, dhekite, dhekite. But here, my body was facing this side. My face was facing this side. Dhekite kat. Okay, and the feet are dhekite kat, dhekite kat. So, dhan dhekite kat. Kridhatete is with the pushpak hand. Kridhatete. Feet are kridhatete. And you have to raise your body. You know this movement. You've learnt it before. Kridhatete, dhage tete, you go round. Dhage tete. And the feet are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, dhekite dhane dha is a new pose. Okay? Dhekite. From here as if you're turning both your wrists. Dhekite dha. Dhekite dha. And your body is also stretched slightly backwards. Dhekite dha. Then the next dha, you hold this pose, but you turn your face and you just make the sound of one dha with your toe. Dha. So, dhekite dha ne dha. And dhekite dha first is dhekite dha, dhekite dha, dhekite dha. And the second is just dha. Dhekite dha ne dha. Then from here, you take your right hand back and then again back to Utpatti with a large sweep. Ta, tha. This part is like the Talahasta chakra. From here, you swing your hand backwards and come back. And it's ta, tha. Feet, right, left. Now, dha-tete, tak, dhumakite tak. You have learned this before. It is with the Urdhva Hasta Chakra, dha-tete, and the feet are dha-tete, dha-tete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, after this, you have tak, dhumakite tak, which is like a chakra, but you have tak. You throw your hands forward, tak, dhumakite tak. And the feet are tak. Slight kick, tak. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then dha, dhin, ta. Dha, dhin, ta. The feet are dha, dhin, ta. Right, left, right. Dha, dhin, ta. Then the next part, the tehai. In the tehai, the feet are very important. So let's start with the feet. Kata dha. We start with the right foot. Kata dha. Then kata dha dha. Kata dha dha dha. This we do 3 times. So let's do it. Kata tha, kata tha, tha, kata tha, tha, tha. Kata tha, kata tha, tha, kata tha, tha, tha. Kata tha, kata tha, tha, kata tha, tha, tha. Now the hands. In kata tha, you're kata dha. In dha, you complete the action. Kata dha, then kata dha, dha. Then kata dha, dha, dha. So every time, in the last syllable, you complete the action. Kata dha, kata dha, dha, kata dha, dha, dha. Okay, so now you know the complete bowl. I will revise the basics for you. First was dha, which was like go, then dhekete kat, turning your body and your hand, dhekete kat, kridhatete with the pushpak, dhaketete going round, then dhekete dha ane dha, then with the large sweep of the hand, ta dha, then dha tete, tak dhumakite tak going round, dha dhinta, samatal hand from right to left, then kata dha, dha, kata dha, 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 kata 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 dha, kata dha, dha, kata dha, dha, dha. Now I would like you to recite the param and then dance it. Dinna, dan, dekete kat, kridhatete, dhaketete, dekete dhan, dha, ta, ta, dha, tete, tak, dhumukete, tak, dha, dhinta, kata dha, kata dha, dha, kata dha, 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 kata dha, kata dha, dha, kata dha, 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 kata dha, kata dha, dha, kata dha, dha, dha. Dinna, dinna, din, dinna, dinna, din. Dan, dekete kat, kridhatete, dhaketete, dekete dhan, dha, ta, ta, dha, tete, tak, dhumukete, tak, dha, dhinta. Good. You have learned the first paran, and now you will learn the second paran and the toras in the concluding part of this episode. In the first part of this episode, we had concentrated on the recitation of parans and toras, and one paran had been learnt as far as the movements and the dance was concerned. In this part, we will learn the other parans and toras. Now, you remember that when we had learnt dha takathonga, the first pose was dha. Now, that paran was performed at a slower tempo. So we had dha ta ka thonga, right? But here the tempo is much faster. So in the first dha ta ka thonga, we complete this movement. So it's like dha ta ka thonga, dha ta ka thonga. Now, the feet are the same, starting with dha, dha, ta, ka, thonga. Remember that first one, it was dha, ta, ka, thonga. Here we are doing it in one direction. Dha, ta, ka, thonga. And the hand starts from utpatti and gradually opens out. Dha, ta, ka, thonga. Now, dhage dige ta we had done as dhage dige ta. Here it's the same movement, but the rhythm is different. Dhage dige ta. So, dhage dige ta. Dha, ge, di, ge, ta. Dha, dhinta, we go round. Dha, dhinta. then detta, kidatha. Same movement but with pauses because of the rhythm. Then taka, thonga, taka, thonga. Then takite taka, takite taka. For takite taka, notice the feet. Takite taka. Then tetikata gadighene dha is the Pavan fairy that you learned. Remember? Tetikata gadighene dha. And the feet are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And there was a 1, 2 gap, so it's 1, 2. So tetikata gadighene dha 1, 2, tetikata dha 1, 2, tetikata gadighene dha. You finish with this pose. So just for a quick revision, dha taka thonga, gradually hand opening out, then dha ge di ge ta, remember? Then dha dhinta you go round, detta, kidatha, taka thonga with the feet, taka thonga. Then takita taka and tetekata gadghene dha 1, 2, tetekata gadghene dha 1, 2, tetekata gadghene dha. So, I'm sure you can recite it and dance it. Da taka thonga, da ge di ge ta, da din ta, ge ta, ge ta, taka thonga, da ki ge ta ka, ge ka ta ga di ge ta, te ka ta ga di ge ta, te ka ta ga di ge ta. And now for the Farmaishi Chakradhar. The movements are also very similar to this. Dha taka thonga dha ge di ge ta. It's non-stop when the series of rhythmic variations go on. So it's dha taka thonga dha ge di ge ta. Here we are not taking this because in dha ge di ge ta you can't establish this pose. So it's dha taka thonga dha ge di ge ta. It's more or less like taka thonga, but the hands open out more. Ta ge di ge ta, dha din ta, dhetta kidatha, taka thonga. Then takita taka, instead of taking it with the right hand, we go round with the left hand. It's the second part of the Palta Chakra with the left hand. And then tetikata gadighene dha. With the feet 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So takita taka, tetikata gadighene dha, takita taka with the left hand. Tetikata gadighene dha, takita taka, tetikata gadighene dha. Then in the gap in between the 3 parts, you go round. So can we do it together? Because now you're picking up faster because you know so many of the movements and so many of the rhythmic variations. Come. Da taka thonga dha ge di ge ta dha din ta, te ta kir dha ta ka thonga ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di dha ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di ne dha ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di ne dha ta taka thonga dha ge di ge ta dha din ta, te ta kir dha ta ka thonga ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di dha ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di dha ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di ne dha ta taka thonga dha ge di ge ta dha din ta, te ta kir dha ta ka thonga ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di dha ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di dha ta ki ta ka te ka ta ga di ne dha. for the Toda using the dance syllables. You know many of the movements. Tik that tat 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 tat. I mean, here there are 3 tat tats, but you had learnt 2 tat tats for the Dvipalli Toda. Remember? Tik that tik that tat 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 tat. Here you do tik that only in one direction. Tik that then tat 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 tat. Okay, going backwards a little on the right side. Then tik thei, which you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta thei. Then the third ta thei. This also you learn in the Paran. Then tik thei, tik thei, tik thei, ta thei. You know all these movements? This is a Chakradhar Toda, done 3 times. So will you please recite it and dance it? Come. Very good. So we have learnt all the bowls prescribed in the syllabus. In the next episode, we will learn some footwork to round off the tal, and then you will give a performance of the complete Rupak tal that you have learnt this year. So wish you all the best. Enjoy yourselves and enjoy your dance. Namaste.